Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a growling sound with your mouth easily, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make a growling sound, this is the video for you. I'm going to go over some simple steps and show you exactly how to do it. Now, this is my growling sound, so just so you know for full sort of credibility purposes that I can make a growling sound, okay? This is what mine sounds like. Okay, really easy to do for the most part, but you got to get the hang of it. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to allow air to come out of your throat area decently slowly while closing your throat just enough, I should say. Okay, so the air has to come out decently slowly and you have to close your throat just enough, okay? And when you find that sweet spot of the perfect air speed coming out and the perfect throat closing amount, okay, you're going to get a vibration, and that vibration, I believe, to the best of my knowledge and the best of my understanding, that vibration, I believe, is what creates that sound. Getting that vibration right there. Sorry, I just realized how dry my lips looked over there. So sorry, my lips look super dry. I think, at least according to what I saw on the camera screen, my lips look super dry. It's decently early in the morning, and I've only had a little bit of coffee to drink so far. So yeah, I gotta get some water in the system, and I gotta have some breakfast soon. Anyways, that being put aside, how do you find that? How do you find that perfect balance there? Well, one way to find out what is too much air pressure coming out and too much throat closing is to cough. When I go like that, essentially, that's too much airspeed and too much throat closing, right? That's too much. And another way to find out what's too little is essentially to just do nothing at all. So if I just breathe normally, that's too little. You got to find the sweet spot between those two. So, essentially play around with the speed of the air coming out. And that's the easiest thing to figure out, the speed of the air coming out, and play around with feeling how your throat moves until you get that sweet spot where it creates that vibration. And it's going to be with the air coming out. I mean, I don't think I can do it with the air coming in. No, when I try and create that vibration sound with the air coming in, it just creates a weird sound and a weird sensation. Yeah, I can't get that sound. It's only when it comes out. So it's on the exhale. And that's how you essentially get that sound. Anyways, that was pretty cool, eh? That's essentially how you get that sound. You got to play around with your own feeling and your own sensation to get that sweet spot. And once you get the sweet spot, you should be able to get that growling sound. Listen, I impressed myself with that one right there. And to be honest with you, I impress myself all the time. I'm constantly like, wow. Good job, Mike. You did a great job. I'm constantly patting myself on the back saying good job. Anyways, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial, and hopefully you can get this sound down and down pat and allow yourself to be able to do it with some practice and some sort of figuring out. But yeah, hopefully you hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.